Let's unload the houseplant truck. Let's see if I can get up here. Oh, this is awkward. That's the red tape, as they say. How's it going?
Good, man.
You made it.
Want that? Yeah.
Sure. That looks rough. That's nice. Elephant here.
What is this?
It's a special surprise, but it doesn't look very good. Yeah, do you remember the vine at the house in Peru with the big blue flowers? I didn't know what it was. That's it.
Oh, that's unfortunate.
Look at that. Are you ready? Boom! I'm filming it.
It's so pretty. Oh, you are. That's I forgot about that.
I think I need one of those ponytails.
It's so pretty.
All right, is that it?
That should be it. Everything's Amarillo.
I'm just get a quick count and.
Yep.
Oh my goodness!
Wow.
I've never seen that fern that big. Goodness gracious.
Ow!
Be careful, it's pokey.
Yeah, you did say that, didn't you? It got me. I'm bleeding! Look at this. Nah, not really bleeding.
Gross. Don't wipe it on the finger.
Oh, cool. Oh my goodness. Wow. Look at that. Bambino is the small leaf. I think that's gotta be. Yeah, I think it's even smaller. 10-inch Alocasia. Is that the Odora?
Yeah.
8 of them? 10-inch rubber. That's what she said.
I was just about to say that.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Miranda, Nepenthes. We had those, right? Braided money trees, 4-inch. Those African violets are pretty. Monkey tail, 4-inch. You didn't see monkey tails, did you?
No, but these counter dolls are all tossed about.
Sure.
They're a little funky.
POV of your POV. Wait. Oh, she got a trunk. She got a fat trunk. Yep.
Ready? Go.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow. That makes us good. Oh.